Dapat yung ginatan pala nila. Oo, yung ginatan sama mo.
Pizza, Chris. He doesn't want to do it. Art Mac. Art double G. Art.
This one for you. This one for you. Tayo lang, okay saan? Bakit ano sabi ni Justin?
Hindi, si Anto, kanina nandoon, nakaupo kami, tinaas yung...
Ngayon, tataas na naman.
Tinaas yung t-shirt, nakita, nilalabasan siya. Ala niya nasa bahay lang.
Wala naman lang maganda yung abs.
Sana may abs.
Daddy, can I have the key?
She looks like you now, Renee.
What is that one? What is that? A pan? No, a picture. A picture. Oh, this. What's that one?
She ran the loaf of my bread. And I says, Wendy, put that down here. Let me give you a fresher one. I swear to God. Good job. I said, whoa. Put that down. Take this one. It's fresher.
Oh my gosh.
I swear to God. Oh, here. Oh, that's so
Oh no! Ate Renee, bake that. Ate Renee.
Did you buy this a lot? Very sweet?
No, she made it.
Masamit ako sa kamay.
We were there.
Daddy! Daddy! Isama mo ko yung biko tsaka yung ano. Yung biko tsaka dito.
Where is that?
Tsaka yung ginatan. Gusto mo magmadyang?
Yung ano ko, nagkakadyang gusto.
Hindi namin dala yung madyong eh.
Minsan na.
Malayo para kami.
Iayos mo lang.
Kaklase na rin na yan.
Sa New York.
Sa may survey po.
Ano nga survey?
Sa Long Island po.
Ah, malayo.
I'm gonna go tell Gino dessert's ready.
Siya ba yung may-ari ng swimming pool na pinuntahan niyo? Hindi. Kami yung may-ari ng swimming pool.
Yung isa, si De La Cruz.
Ano sa inyo?
Saan ba yan?
Hindi, dito. Pagkasaan dito.
Pennsylvania.
What do I want to try?
Daddy, tanganan mo ako naman. Taga.
Ay, gagawin ko lang diaper. Pairam lang kasi fire.
Let me get a big
Teka.
plate. Take a shot.
What do you want? Teka, hindi ko matanggal. Huwag mong pipindutin para hanggang ano yan, hanggang 9 minutes. Ah. Ganyan lang ah. Akin na!
Oh, that's the papa. Hello. Hey. Did you try that?
I didn't sweet my husband, so I didn't try it yet.
Oh,
That's
yes.
really sweet. I'm
Yeah,
gonna
really
try
sweet,
it.
yeah.
Start
I never think about it.
And it was a stick with rock and dirt. Now it's
I can't play these though. They'll scratch me.
Baka wala ka na kinukunan dyan. Bato na yung inaano mo dyan eh.
Yeah, the big three.
She actually did.
How about you, Gianna?
I mean, all right. Okay, blame the mango. I blame the mango.
This is mine.
I told him I wanted to see.
You were at the game?
Thanks, bro. Thanks for stepping on my first, bro.
Sorry. You know, you're not supposed to keep it on the floor. I'm just glad you got it. You know, we had to go on a little bit of a losing streak.
Sabi ko ilagay doon eh.
At saka ginatan.
Yeah. Maybe I should. No, I have more.
That's where it is. Thank you. Rene, lagay mo daw yung biko at saka ginatan doon.
Matamis ang nang, matamis ang cake. Yung luto niya, Andrea.
Yun nga pinag-uusapan namin. Sabi ko, Andrea, hindi na bibiling gawa mo. Sabi ni Baby, somebody has to start. So ginawa nito ko mo siya. Oh, sorry. Ayun,
Ilagay mo dito.
naumpisahan. Lagyan mo din dito.
Ayun na, lagay mo.
Where?
Ayun na.
Umpisahan mo.
Ano ba yung sasabihin kay Angelica? Huwag daw sasabihin ng Angelica surprise. Sabi na sa lahat na. Hindi kay Angelica.
Yeah, it goes like in line.
It's like,
Well, you turned down to say, you know what?
hello.
Hello, Angelica.
Gotta be in YouTube.
Bada bing, she said. No.
Yeah.
I don't go on YouTube.
You're on YouTube,
YouTube no
now.
good.
This is YouTube Queen. She puts everything on YouTube.
You're gonna get some ice then.
Hi. May na kayo?
Don't eat too much.
Ba, nandiyan sila Sandy? Pasok na. Pakainin na sila.
Hello.
Kain na.
Nagtatago siya. Lola kami.
Hi. What I did.
Plato agad.
Ayun. Plato kagad.
Thank you.
Meron din sa loob. Enjoy na enjoy. Sa laro.
Oh, how are you?
Happy birthday,
Nandun.
Angelica. Sa Angelica po.
Kumain na ba si Kyle?
Oo. Naglalaro si Kyle, naglalaro. Busy.
Hindi kayo nagpa-Facebook ngayon, tita.
Ha?
Walang Facebook ngayon.
Wala, hindi makapag-Facebook.
Facebook.
Kain na. Buti na tatagalan siya. Pinapalitan ng diaper.